I'm gonna get you. Fucking have you, mate. Do you know who I am? Get off my band. I'll fucking off your. This is my sunspot. Oh, there's another one. He's chancing it. Oh. This guy's backing off. Oh, hang on, he's coming in. He's coming in. Meanwhile, in ring 2, these two are about to have a battle. No, this guy's chicken now. He's like, oh, no, he's got to now. He's got to. He's got to. They don't look like they're really that enthusiastic. Come on, fellas, put a fight on. Give us a show. I'm sure that's out there. Oh my god, there's another one. He's coming in. That's cheating, I'm sure. This is not tag team. Maybe he's coming in. While they're distracted, he's like, yeah, they're distracted. I'm coming in. I'll have this guy. This is a very hard position to hold the camera. Wonder what's going on over here. Oh, these guys, they're chilling. Meanwhile, this is like a weird impasse. This guy over here is just like, yeah, everyone's distracted. I'm having a rest. This guy's in between fights right now. It look like they just come to a bit of an agreement. It look like they're just chilling now. Someone put the TV on. They're just like, yeah, man, should we just sit down, watch some cartoons, and just all chill together. Oh shit, man! There's a fucking. These guys have all just. They just went up. Yeah, there's a fight going on. Maybe they heard about the TV. This is how I spend my mornings. Watching spiders. On old rubber bands. Yeah. And I make up little stories.